Hi. 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 Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
Proud.
Proud. The drawings are pretty good, but it doesn't make any sense.
I wasn't expecting that to happen.
I'm a 28-year-old man. I should be able to eat a chicken sandwich if I want. NASDAQ, Dow Jones, Wall Street Journal, New York City.
I see the problem here. There seems to be a little baby inside your body.
You gotta cut the cord. You gotta cut the cord.
Jeez, do I have to do everything? I've got sensitive knees.
We can live like kings. We can live like kings. I got my fingers crossed. 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 Yeah, I just bloomed late.
It's my cellular telephone. It's wireless. It uses satellites and terrestrial antennas to send and receive transmissions. It's
I say Geneva. You hear Helsinki? Huh? 40 million fucking Deutschmark, Bob.
Why'd you at your new job?
What are you talking about, Timmy?
You hear that, Dad? You're gonna pay. He's a molester. He's a child molester. Gordy. I could lose all of this.
What the fuck am I supposed to do with that?
Oh, you could stick it in your bum bum.
Fuck you, fuck me, fuck you, fuck me, fuck you, fuck me.
I regretfully am going to have to once again bow out of the sandwich industry because in reality, I am an animator. It's a classic fish out of water story, except it's not fish, it's zebras out of water.
I wasn't even thinking about writing a check today. But with that kind of creativity, I'm completely comfortable greenlighting this fucking project. I'm gonna write you a check right now, partner, for, I don't know, how's $1 million sound to you, huh?
In Africa, the humans hated us because of our zebra lower bodies, and the zebras hated us because of our human upper bodies. Listen to my hooves! Yeah! Listen to them cloppity clop! Listen to them cloppity clop!
Money's no object. Okay, because I had $1 million, okay? And then I spent $150,000 on the jewels, okay? And then I spent $100,000, I rented a helicopter, okay? And then you add the $750,000, that's all my money. That's all my money gone. It's $1 million gone. No, easy come, easy go.
Yeah.
That's all.